Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show just how easy it is to change out the tail light assemblies on your 4th gen 4Runner. You're going to need a 10mm wrench. Pass-through style would be preferable, like this little gear wrench set that I have, or just finding the right blend of deep socket and 10mm. You could probably do it as well. You also are going to need a trim removal tool. It just makes it just a little bit easier. We have a vehicle here that we are scrapping at the moment, so I thought, guys, I know you run into this, you've been in an accident or you cracked a tail light out having some fun on the trails, something like that. So I'm just going to show you just how easy this is to do. First things first, we got to pop the hatch and we'll get into a little access panel. This is a 2003 Limited. These appear to be the factory rear hatch struts and still going strong. It's amazing. Shut that door. All right, first thing we're gonna do, guys, I do apologize. I have a serious case of allergies, so I am trying not to let my runny nose get to you here. All right, so we're gonna start. We've got this little 10mm. We're gonna be removing it. We'll get that loose. We have, you see this right here? It's a connector. The release clip is on the back side. You can see that there. All right, we're gonna remove that. All right, first two steps are beyond easy. Now, the hard part, and I said you need some sort of pass through, because you can see by the length of the stud on that right there. So way up inside here, you'll have to feel around. There is a stud, and we are going to have to get up in there to that and remove it. I'm sorry, there's a stud with a nut on it, so we're gonna have to remove that nut. Once that nut has been basically just taken the tension off, you can undo it with your hand. So we have those both off now. Now we're gonna take our soft, non-marring tools here, and we're gonna pull this off. Now, it's gonna be stuck. This little gasket over time just fuses to the paint. The glue eats through it, it becomes one. So you're more than likely gonna have to use a little bit of effort, but just go slow. As soon as those studs on the back of this clear the body of the vehicle, your light will be free. And there it is. Now you can get access to any bulbs you need to replace, or that's how you would replace this. To reinstall, it's just basically the same process. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. I do all kinds of things. I do installs, I do trail rides, a lot of Toyota, a lot of Bronco, and I do a lot of breaking, removing OEM parts off of salvage vehicles. So I realize that I get pretty good at this, and there's a lot of incomplete tutorials out there, so follow along for more. Thank you so much.